Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find additional settings. As you can see, on the first position we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on it, and here we've got the options which are connected to the date and time, and we actually cannot change it manually because they are inactive. So all we have to do right now is to simply tap on both of those switchers in order to turn off the network provided time and time zone, and the and other options are right now active, so simply tap on it. And here, just by swiping, you can pick the date you want to use. You want to set the earliest is 2007. So just set which one you want to, confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, with using the those switchers. Let's say using the swiping, you can change the time. Just tap on OK in order to confirm. As you can see, it will immediately apply it on the status bar. Of course, we can change the time zone also. Just tap on it, tap on the region, and as you can see here, we've got actually plenty of options to choose from, all time zones from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the one and tap on it. So let me pick randomly this one. Okay, the Kuwait. And as you can see, again, it will be immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We set 4, I believe, previously. So you can also change the time format. Right now it is automatic one, but you can manually decide if you want to use 24-hour or 12-hour format, and right now we've got 12-hour format, so let's pick 24-hour format, and the same situation, it will be immediately applied. Here you've got some options also to the connected to the dual clock, so you can turn it on or off using the switcher. And of course, after tapping on second clock, you can enter the region and pick the one from which you'd like to check the time. So actually this is it. This is how to customize the date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings, and nothing easier. Just tap on those switchers. And as you can see, everything will be changed, and we just go back to the network provided time and time zone. Of course, we can change the format also. So actually, this is it. This is how to customize the date and time in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.